back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would throw together just a quick little video showing you this cabinet I have in my dining room decorated for Halloween. This is really the only area that I have so far been able to finish with Halloween decorating. I am so busy with the wedding stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna get time to do every single thing that I wanted to do and then film it because I'm getting married in less than 2 weeks and there's a lot of last minute preparations that I'm trying to get to. But I thought if nothing else, I would share this cute little cabinet with you guys. A lot of you messaged me about it over on Instagram, so I'm gonna take you in closer on all the shelves and just tell you where some of the things are from and give you a chance to see the things that I've hauled this season. So up at the top, I just have two house-shaped kind of candle holder things that are old, and then this moon sign that I got from Michael's this year. I love this sign. I was having trouble finding a place for it though, so I'm not sure that I love it up there, but I really wanted to put it somewhere, and I think it would be nice if I put a garland across the top up there just to kind of tie it all together, but for now that's what I have. And then on this top shelf, I have this ghost that I hauled back in July, I want to say, or maybe even June, from the at-home store. The little jack-o'-lantern holding the straws is from the at-home store too. And then the tiny candy corn bottle brush trees I bought off of eBay, and the jack-o'-lantern ornament is from Creepy Cute Creations on Etsy, so I'll link that shop down below. In the center, we have this Rae Dunn canister that I've had for a few years. I love this canister. I think it's so cute, and this is one of the only Rae Dunn pieces I have out for Halloween and fall this year. I actually sold and decluttered a lot of my Rae Dunn Halloween and fall stuff. I still just kept like my favorite few mugs and a few other little things. It was just taking up way too much storage space in my dining room buffet where I keep extra things. So I got rid of it, and somebody else has it now who loves it, so that's great. And then in this corner, I have my copper jack-o'-lantern that I've had for a couple years now from Home Goods. The tall candy corn bottle brush tree is from the at-home store. My felt candy corns are from eBay as well. And then the smaller candy corn with the star on it is part of a set that I got from Amazon. So you'll see its little partner in a different shelf. Okay, if you guys can hear a leaf blower in the background, it is obviously fall here and the leaves are starting to accumulate in everybody's yard, so you may hear that going in the background. We literally just did our first round of that yesterday. I can't believe it, because normally it's a little bit later in October, but the leaves have already started to drop here. But anyways, in this corner, I just have a velvet pumpkin sitting in some stacked bowls. In the background, you can see this vintage card right here, and that actually is a card that a friend sent to me. You can definitely decorate with cards if you see one out in a store that you really like. And then I have another felt candy corn, my Rae Dunn measuring cups with this really cute little tiny vintage inspired Bethany Lowe cat bucket. And I just put a little candy corn tree in the top to make it look kind of like a hat. Right there in the center, I have a Dollar Tree sign that I fell in love with, and the light behind me is shining on that, so it's making it kind of look a little bit more bright than it really is. And then over here, I just have some books stacked with another copper jack-o'-lantern with a candy corn bottle brush tree, some pumpkins, and more little candy corn things. And then you can see that I used brown leaves to kind of tie everything together. I know a lot of times people will use greenery, but to me that reminds me of spring, and I really wanted this to feel like vintage fall and vintage Halloween, so I used the brown leaves. So now for the last shelf, it looks like this. I have another velvet pumpkin sitting on top of some stacked bowls, a candy corn bottle brush tree. The candy corn that says Halloween on it is the pair to the smaller one from the top shelf from Amazon. I also have my felt ghost that I got from Home Goods a couple years ago. And then we have another Halloween card here. This one is from Dollar Tree, and then another jack-o'-lantern little tea light that I have some straws from Walmart in, and then another felt candy corn. That is the cabinet, you guys, or hutch, whatever you want to call it. I know this video was short and sweet. I just wanted to make sure that I got at least one Halloween decor video up for you guys in case I don't get a chance to make another with all of the wedding stuff that I have going on. I think we're 12 days away from the wedding, and I would like to put one wedding video up on this channel, so that may be coming up as my next video. Fingers crossed. I am just, the time is just escaping me, and it's kind of hard to keep up, but I'm trying my best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If I don't see you before Halloween, happy Halloween. And I hope you have an incredible October, and I will see you back in a future video. Bye now.